Hi guys, so welcome to my videos. So today was the ninth day for my basement work. So today there was not much progress. Whole day got involved in various inspections. Lot of inspections have been passed, like my HVAC, some drainage, and few other inspections have been passed. One thing they have rescheduled for tomorrow is the plumbing work. Somewhere here, I don't know what they have said, the officer, or you can say the city inspector. So we'll see. Like plumbers did come in order to address that, and they have done something in order to address that. So when they come tomorrow, the officer, the inspector, then we'll see what happens. But apart from that, it looks very good. And if you see the situation now, this place is gonna be my kitchen stove. It's marked. This is gonna be other thing. This is gonna be fridge. This is gonna be range. All things are marked. For electric work, it's done here in the basement. Some electric work needs to be done upstairs too, because as per new city rules, even my existing bedrooms must have one, like all of them must have one fire or smoke detector and electric, no battery. Okay, so that's very important. Another thing that had happened and that was addressed, because yesterday there was lot of raining, so outside water was accumulated, and because of that, because of the drainage, water had come here. So because of some pump, water was taken out and it was taken to the other side. So that is really important. Like your sump pump should remain on, and of course once the construction is done, I'm gonna install one canopy or awning, whatever you say, so that there's no water accumulation here, at least up to that extent. Okay, and that will be really helpful. So let me know guys what you feel about it. How do you think we should go from here? And this really worked well. Like when water came, this sump pump took the water here and it was thrown out. That's really good, and that's how it is supposed to go. So I will keep you guys posted and will provide you more update as it goes. So stay tuned with me. Now one additional work has been added. That's gonna be like, the furnace I have is really old, really very old. So what I am doing now, I am replacing a faulty part that had caused an issue few days back. And these pipes, these are black in color, so as per new city standard, they gotta be white. So that pipe goes all the way in and out, like inlet and outlet pipe, both are gonna be changed as per the standard. So that is what's gonna happen, and I'll keep you guys updated from there. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.